Hey guys, we got transformations of polynomial functions today, and this should be a good one for you because we've done a lot of this before, so let's hit this stuff. All right, starting with f of x is x cubed. The x cubed graph basically is a half a parabola that goes up and a half that goes down. I'm going to do this first one, the parent function in black. Basically, it starts at 0, 0. You go up 1 over 1. You do half a parabola going up that way. Then you go over 1 down 1, and you go half a parabola down that way. Okay, that's what the basic one looks like. So if you have an x cubed plus 2, remember, number on the outside, up and down, though, just like you think. So same deal. It's going to go up. It's going to go down. If it's x minus 3 inside, I'll go blue. Opposite of what you think. Right 3. Done this before. Done that before. Number in the front, bigger than 1 is a vertical stretch. So watch what happens here. I'm going to start back at 0, 0, but instead of going over 1, up 1, I'm going to go over 1, up 4, over 1, down 4. So that's making it, it's a vertical stretch, making it steeper. I didn't do a very good job on that one. And the last one, 1/2 inside. If it's inside, if it's less than 1, it's a horizontal stretch by the reciprocal. So instead of going over 1, up 1, I'm going to go over 2, up 1. Oops, didn't mean to make that first dot. Over 2, up 1, and over 2, down 1, which actually makes it quite a bit, fatter there. There's a bunch of graphs on one graph, but that's really what we're doing today or tomorrow. All right, how about x to the 4th? And by the way, I need to go, well, it doesn't matter. The last slide was x cubed. Pretty much any odd power is going to look just like that as long as there's nothing added or subtracted to it, any more x's. So we'll talk about that more tomorrow. X to the 4th is going to look like this. It's going to be another parabola. I'm going to do 2 points on this one, though, because I go over 1, still over 1, up 1. But if I go over 2, it's all the way up to 16, because 2 to the 4th power is 16. So it's a parabola, but it's really steep, like really steep. More steep than without the x squared. The x to the 4th minus 2, just what you think. Go down 2 to start, over 1, up 1, or 1, down 1. But it's really steep. It's really steep. And then the x plus 3 to the 4th, left 3, opposite of what you think inside, over 1, up 1, over 1, up 1. It's really steep. Got up to 16 to get the next point way up there. And then 2x to the 4th, that's a vertical stretch. So it starts back at 0, 0, over 1, up 2, over 1, up 2. So even steeper, all right, even steeper on that one because of the 2. And then the last one here, the 4x to the 4th, the 4 is inside, so it's a horizontal shrink by 1/4. So I'm going to go, instead of going over 1, I'm going over 1/4 and up 1, over 1/4 and up 1. So that's also really steep. You can barely see it in there. All right. This lesson for you guys, since we've done so much of this transformations before, this should be a lot of review. Hopefully it works out really great for you. It says describe the transformation based on this function and then graph it. First of all, I have a plus 5 inside, so I'm going to say it shifts left 5. I'll go with the arrow, shifts left 5. And also the plus 2 outside means it shifts up 2. So I'm going to go left 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 2. Now this is a cube, which means you're going over 1, up 1, and it's going up like that, over 1, down 1, and it's going down just like that. Okay, that's all it is. So like I said, you've done these transformations. All right, a couple more here. Describe the transformations of f represented by g, then graph. So the first one, this is graph each. I'm just going to graph the new one. 2 things going on here. It's got a negative in the front, which means it reflects across the x-axis. It also has that 1/4, and it's in the front. It's not inside, so it means it's a vertical shrink by 1/4. And then I'm going to graph that one. So I'm going to start at 0, 0. I'm going to go over 1, down 1/4, which is barely down. Over 1, down 1/4, barely down. And I'm going down because of the reflection across the x. Oops, that's not nearly steep enough. Remember, it's really steep. So something like that, something like that. You could do another point too if you want to get, more exact. Okay, x to the 5th. Again, x to the 5th, that's odd. It's going to look just like x cubed. It's got 2 things going on. It has the 2 is inside, so it's a horizontal shrink by the reciprocal, which is 1/2. And it's also going to shift right 3, opposite of what you think. So I'm going over 3 first. I always do the shift first. Horizontal shrink by 1/2 means when I get my first point, I made that one a little too big. Instead of going over 1, up 1, I'll go over 1/2 up 1, over a half up 1. Connect the dots, la la la, and there they are. And that's pretty much what we're doing today or tomorrow in class. So I hope it's just a really good review day for you, and it's about time of the year for a good review day. All right, so I'll see you then.